Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and it can be a challenge to get a good night's sleep if you're in a noisy neighborhood or in a noisy part of the hotel when you're traveling, or if you're a day sleeper. We chose these Anbow earplugs because of their unique design that lets you customize them. If you're a side sleeper, you can trim them down, and we loved that they were reusable. They're super easy to clean. And my husband especially is so grateful to have these since he works nights and he has to sleep during the day. And we live in a basement apartment, so it can be loud at times, especially during the day. We love these Anbow earplugs, and we love having multiple sets handy and to travel with. And that's my point of view.